Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Today I'm going to talk about Activision and how Microsoft is going to acquire this gaming company. Taking a look at Activision Blizzard, priced at $82 per share. Currently, it's trading up almost 26% higher than opening. So at one point, pre-market, it was up 35%, but now it's trickled down to 26%. So what Activision does is it develops and publishes interactive entertainment through these following segments, whether it's Activision Publishing, Blizzard Entertainment, and King Digital. King Digital is also in the mobile space, so developing games for both Android and iOS, which is huge for Microsoft. And Activision is based in Santa Monica. Currently, market cap is $64 billion. P/E ratio is 19.37. Dividend yield is 0.72. Taking a look at the analyst ratings, about 69% give it a buy out of these 32 analyst ratings. Now, at one point, I did own Activision shares, and I sold at about $89 per share back in January 2021. So taking a look at this recent news, you can see on the investor relations page on Activision website, there were some updates from both Microsoft and Activision. You can see that their overall mission is to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more, versus Activision, it's connecting and engaging the world through epic entertainment. And in terms of the overall market, you see there's 3 billion players in the gaming world versus internet users is 4 billion, and then total of 8 billion people on the planet. And when you combine these two companies, the synergy is create content, the community, and the cloud gaming business. So there's a lot of content, both a lot of well-recognized games and billion-dollar franchises. Taking a look at the community, you can see there's nearly 400 million Activision Blizzard monthly active players with over 25 million Game Pass subscribers. So it's a very huge community that Microsoft is tapping into. And talking about cloud, millions of Xbox cloud gaming users, so over 26 countries. So by having Microsoft acquire Activision Blizzard, it's improving all these areas: content, community, and the cloud. And the gaming culture will be affected with this acquisition. I think in terms of what Microsoft does is they usually acquire companies and leave the culture as is. For example, like GitHub or LinkedIn. And in terms of this acquisition, you can see there's over 10,000 talented employees serving nearly 400 million monthly active users worldwide. Fully owned intellectual property and innovation pipeline, diversified across platforms, geographies, and business models, and strong long-term track record of shareholder value creation. So you can see things like Call of Duty, Candy Crush, World of Warcraft, Diablo, and Overwatch. These are large gaming brands as well as communities that Microsoft will get a hold of. So scrolling down a bit, see, these are some of the brands, Call of Duty, Diablo, Overwatch, Warcraft, Candy Crush, Tony Hawk, Crash. And taking a look at Xbox, you can see that it's one of the most powerful, fastest Xbox ever built, the Xbox One X. Play anywhere via the cloud, play on PC, customize your experience. Next gen performance at an affordable price is the One S. And then the Game Pass, access 100 games with your friends over all Xbox platforms. Scrolling down a bit, you can see the deal overview. The structure, it's $95 per share or $68.7 billion enterprise value. All cash consideration, expected to close fiscal year of 2023. So hopefully sometime next year, this deal will go through. And in terms of financial impact, you can see accretive to non-GAAP EPS upon close, And then capital return program, no change expected to a previously announced share buyback program. And financial reporting, currently expect to report results for Activision Blizzard post-close in our gaming business. And then in terms of org structure, you can see Activision Blizzard business will report to Phil Spencer, who's the CEO of Microsoft Gaming. So this is big news in the gaming world, the gaming business world, and I hope to see Microsoft benefit from this acquisition and also grow the Activision Blizzard business. In terms of my position, as I mentioned, I don't have any more shares of Activision, and I sold them back in 2021, but I do have shares of Microsoft. You can see Microsoft, this makes up 6.63% portfolio, or $21,801. I'm up 243% on this position, and I plan to continue holding this position long term just because I think Microsoft is huge not only in the gaming business, but also in the business world with the enterprise solutions that they have in cloud business. And I see Microsoft continue to innovate and add shareholder value. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Microsoft and Activision? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.